Namaskar, this is Sonia Bhandari and one more time I welcome you to Aarsun Woods. And today we have along with us Ashish Mittal, Director of Aarsun Woods.
Namaskar.
How are you, sir?
All well, ma'am. How are you?
Fine. Okay, so today we will talk about this beautiful, amazing sofa set. Let's start, sir. I have a question. Every time we see a beautiful, amazing set, I must say that our designers are very creative.
Ma'am, it's not about the designers. See, designs we get from a lot of places.
Right,
In fact, there are hundreds and hundreds of catalog generated images.
right.
And since this AI thing is in picture, the artificial intelligence, it's creating images like anything. You put in some details, you key in and you punch, and you get a new design out. So this is not about our designers. This is about the creative thinking of our clients.
Okay.
The clients choose something, they like something, and they trust us, they want us to make that for them. And 99% of the times we make the design better than what it is visible in the catalog or a computer generated image. So this set, again, from a computer generated image, we have a beautiful real set. We'll sit on it, we'll move it, and we'll show it to the clients from all the sides, and you can see how beautiful the unit has come out.
So here we can see we have a 3-seater, 2-seater and a single seater.
Yes.
Please let us know more about this set.
Let's talk about the sizes first. So we have a 3-seater here. Now if you can please sit.
Yeah, sure.
So we have a 3-seater here. The out and out left to right size we have is 7 feet. There is a slight distinction. We have two kinds of sets. One with the wings, where we have the sides, these sides, both sides, in a wing format. So a little ear shape. Those sets are 6.5 feet wide in 3-seater. The straight backs are 7 feet, 6 inches more than regular sets.
Okay.
Similarly, we have a 2-seater here. The 2-seater size is 5.5 feet outer. The regular sets are 5 feet, the one with the wings. And along with this, we have a single chair. The client needs just one chair. And this chair is also, according to the design, this is 33 inches out and out. Regular chairs are 30 inches. So 3 inches more. Back height for this and this is around 4 feet, 46 inches close to that. And the chair is around 44. So a little less than the size of the sofa, because there's a crown shape in the middle and the crown shape is not there. In fact, the chair is quite different from the set, but this is in the catalog, so client wanted the same design. And we also have a table, 4x2 table. I'll show you a little later.
Okay.
First, let's talk about the sizes itself. Front to back, all the units are 30 inches, 2.5 feet, and we get nice sitting area on all the designs. Another interesting thing about this set is it has got a lean back. If you see here,
Yes, it's
a lean back. It's for more comfort. So when you sit on it, you get extra sitting area, and the lean back gives you more comfort. So again, this is as per the client's requirement, and we have made that.
So this is in teak wood, antique gold paint, our most like color.
Yes.
And as you just mentioned that the chair is a bit different, so let's talk about the chair.
And this design is, if you see the 3-seater and 2-seater, the design is a little different. If you can please sit on it.
Yeah, sure.
Now here we have a different crown shape. Generally we have a crown that is going upwards. Here we have embedded the crown in the design itself, if you can see there. And the spacious setting, you can see, ma'am is sitting on it. We have enough space on both sides and very comfortable chair, as according to the design, very comfortable. And the design on the handles, we have the wooden frame. Generally what we get is cushions on the handles, just like the sofas. Here we have wooden design and everything carved. So if we use this chair as standalone also, it looks really nice. You can see, and this chair can work as a bedroom chair, or if you want a standalone chair to keep it somewhere, it can be used as is also. So very nice combination. Instead of going for a monotony for 3-seater, 2-seater and chairs, seeing the same design, we have got a different design in the chair.
Okay, the one question client always has in mind, like that how much space they need for this kind of setup.
One misconception, in fact, I'll say, the clients always have that our sets are very bulky, they're very huge, and they take a lot of space. In fact, the sizes are similar to what you have, these fully cushioned sets, they are almost similar.
Right.
And the inner space is also similar. Just the design part, because it looks grand, so that's why they look very big.
Right.
And if you talk about the space, 7 feet is this one, 2.5 feet front and back, 2.5 feet front and back. So if we leave a little area in the middle, let's say 6 inches both sides, so 7 plus 5 plus 1. This is the simple calculation. So 7, 5 and 1, 13 feet area you require on this wall, this way, to keep a set. Now here, the more chairs you increase, you get a 3-seater, you get more chairs. Accordingly, the size increases. So 2.5 feet from the wall, you leave 6 inches, so around 3 feet, and then you calculate the number of chairs you are putting. So accordingly, this works. So 13 feet by, if we talk of this set, around 8 feet area we need. So 13 by 8 is enough to keep this set. Then you add more and you need more space.
According.
Very simple calculation.
Okay, sir. As I can see that there is a dual fabric, how
Yes.
can we make these combinations?
See, making a combination is very simple. Generally, when we have the tufted back, it's like you see here,
Yes.
this crisscross design is a tufted back. In contemporary designs, you will mostly find these designs. Even in the Chesterfields, you will find these kind of designs. So when we have tufted back, we generally go for plain fabrics.
Okay.
So because if we get something like this in the back, it'll be crossing the design. So the flower will be cut in the middle. It doesn't look that nice.
Okay.
So generally we have plain back. Now selecting the fabric of the seat, we have a very simple way. Take the base color and
Okay.
match with the base color.
Okay.
So base color of this one and this one is matched very close, whichever is very close. Then we talk about the flower colors
Okay.
or the pattern colors.
Okay.
So whichever the client likes, so we match the base color and we provide the options.
Okay.
So whatever the client likes, we make that. And as we call our furniture,
Choice wala furniture.
choice wala furniture, because we make it as per the client's choice. So number of seats, colors, fabrics, designs, side tables, everything is as per the client's requirement. This set is going to Hyderabad and we deliver
All over the globe.
so anywhere you are, India or outside India, we deliver everywhere. And we have a section on our website, client testimonials. And if you click there, you'll find hundreds and hundreds of actual pictures from the client's places where when so they have received the stuff, they really liked it, they placed it, and they sent us pictures with their blessings. And these pictures are on the website. And these pictures are not just to show you the stuff, these are also a very good example, because you can see there how the placement is done. You can see how their floors are, their walls are, their curtains, their designs are, and how their interiors are. So when you are decorating your home, your interiors, or your interior decorator guys who are working on this, they can get good examples from their interiors, and definitely help you to decide on what will look good on your place and how is your choice working with these kind of sets.
As we just talked about, we have different setups, that how we match the overall setup.
When we talk about the design part, how to match the designs, we'll see at the leg. We'll start from the
Leg
base,
part.
the leg part.
Okay.
This is the table of this set. It's a 4 by 2 feet table, and along with this, we have a side stool. The client only wanted one. And if you look at the leg here, the leg is similar to the sofa legs and the leg of the table. And in all the designs you see, the leg work is similar.
Okay.
This is how the design is matched. The top work can go for a different design. So when we have 3-seater and 2-seater, the design is similar. In the chair, we have a different design, but leg work matches the overall setup.
So this goes with every setup.
Yes, this goes with every setup. And then we match the colors and the fabrics. And once we match the overall design, then we get a similar looking set, but not a monotonous one where you have same design everywhere. And this is also quite liked concept by the clients. Clients love when they have something different in their place. And chairs are really a good example, because sometimes people love to sit alone. There may be elders, there may be people who don't really want to sit along with someone else, or your some guru who is visiting you. You
Right.
always like them to sit on a separate chair.
Right.
So chairs are really good concept in that case also. Overall, a really nice design. And as I mentioned, we have more than 1200 videos on YouTube. Different amazing stuff, different colors, antique gold, white, off-white, silver, champagne, dual shade, triple shade, walnut, natural finish, mahogany finish. So much we have done already. And if you want one for you, if you want something customized, bespoke, the number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you.
Dhanyavad.